Say goodbye to complicated cheesecake recipes. This delightful cheesecake pie is your new go-to for an effortless homemade dessert. Start by adding graham cracker crumbs to a bowl, then add sugar and melted butter. Mix that together until it looks like wet sand. Add your crumbs to a 9-inch pie plate. Press it in tightly into the bottom and up the sides of the pan. And then you're going to bake it at 325 for 10 minutes. Add cream cheese to a bowl and whip that until it's smooth and creamy. Add sugar and sour cream. Mix that until it's well combined. Add vanilla and mix that in. Take 2 eggs and lightly beat them with a fork, and then add them to the mixture. And you're just going to stir this in with a silicone spatula. This will prevent any air getting into your batter, causing the cheesecake to crack. Add your batter to your pie crust. Bake it at 325 for 30 minutes. Let it cool all the way and then refrigerate. Slice it into slices, serve with berries, whipped cream, your favorite toppings, and enjoy. You can get the full printable recipe at bakedbyantintrovert.com.